Good morning everyone, this is Trafalgar Valentine again. How's it going? Is everything alright? Today I want to do a Datsun C110. So, just from a photo reference I've got in front of me. So I've got a little A5 sketchboard here, canvas board, sorry. A5 canvas board. And I've just got a Faber-Castell style brush pen, so I'm just sketching this in. I haven't done any pencil lines or anything. I just don't really need to. It's not that hyper realistic or anything. It's just a fun little drawing. Okay, so we've got the front here, just doing that. Then across here is going to be the windscreen coming up and back down there. You do the lower part of the car, a large splitter on the front, make it like really low to the ground. Then do some nice wide arches. Then this will be the wing mirror. Then let's bring this down for the side window. Okay, and let's bring this back down. I need to do this wheel in, so let's just do a nice large rim. A little bit indented in the inside. Then I can bring this across. This will all be in shadow, I'll do it in a second. Then do the wheel arch, kind of make sure they're the same height. Yeah, we'll just do that for the door handle. You stick this rear out a little bit. I'll just draw this for the other wheel. Then we need to do some detail just on this grille with the lights. I can bring this across. And do a little like intercooler on the inside. Okay, I think that's looking good. I need to bring this, make it look a little bit flatter. It's looking a bit bulky at the moment. I think once I get the shadows in, it will look a bit better. There's some grill shapes there. Okay, let's get some colour into this bad boy. Let's see what this red looks like. That would work. So I'm just doing a little bit of red here. Then just in this lower section. Bring that down a little bit. Okay, I want to do a colour to complement that. Let's do an orange. It's not like orange and pink. Colour this in. Maybe just a little bit on here, maybe just a little bit on these rims. Just touching the windows. Okay, let's do another colour. Let's go with some nice highlight yellow. Just really pull that colour out. Okay, now I'll do some greys. So let's just do this lower section. Just leaving out a few little spaces that I want to leave for white highlights. And where I want things to be a little bit touch darker than this. Okay, I'm going to make this a little bit darker. A little bit darker underneath here. Just smooth this out. There we are. Okay, I want to do a little bit of touch of blue in this. Just for a bit of contrast and colour. Maybe a line just under here. Screw it. In fact, I'm just going to do a little design on the outside. Maybe let's bring this blue underneath. Okay, looks good. Now, there's not too many shadows in this. I want to do a bit more shadows. This one's not going to work. Let's find one that does. Okay, it's a little bit darker. Just on these lower sections. Maybe just a bit under here. Maybe just a touch on the top of that wheel. Just want to carry this line across. So just gonna want this end of the card to be darker. Make sure there's a nice smooth line going across. Okay, what else? What else? Looking for some pens. Let's have a look. Got loads of pens scattered around me, so I'm just trying to find the right ones. Yeah, this would work. I just want some little details. Let's just bring this up. Just creating a little bit more shadow. Reach under here. Okay, that looks good. I want to do something in this background. Maybe let's make this dark blue. Let's try this one out. Yeah, that would work. Doing some lines going up. Just want to create a nice swooping motion going across. Okay, let's see if what happens when I use a white gel pen. Just for a few little fine touches. Not working the best, but I'm trying to make it do. Just want to make these lines on this side a little bit lighter. So you've got dark on this edge and light on this edge. Make this section just a little bit lighter. Then just a white highlight, run it all the way through. Just pull that line to make it all smooth. Okay, I think that's just about it really. I don't know what much else I can add. Maybe just a few finishing touches here. Just smoothing out this wheel just a little bit. Okay. Okay guys, I think I'll do. This has been my Datsun drone. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later.